So today we are going to talk about what are the essential softwares that are used in the civil engineering. Introduction. There are variety of software programs which are available for the different specialized disciplines of civil engineering. Most civil engineers practice specialized subsets of civil engineering such as geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, transportation engineering, hydraulic engineering, environmental engineering, project and construction management, and finally land surveying. So, what's the need of softwares in civil engineering? The trend to implement software programs in the civil engineering industry began as an educational concern. Today, these concerns and trends are centered around the continuing education unit, which have become required as a part of maintaining the professional license. So, as a result of the expanding use and demand for these software programs, there was less necessity for occupation such as draftsman because the engineer began to prepare and input the design parameters into the program. So, as a result of that, eliminating the need for manual method of drafting. So, what are civil engineering softwares exactly? Civil engineering softwares are the softwares which helps the civil engineers to plan, implement and execute any kind of work or project without facing any problems, and if any problems are arised, then how to eliminate those problems. What are the types of civil engineering softwares? They're basically of two types: system softwares and application softwares. Softwares which are used in civil engineering department. In case of management, softwares are being used in practice in the management department. MS Project. It's a project management software product sold by Microsoft. We basically perform works with records in this software. Primavera. It's an important software for civil engineers. It keeps the record for project management system and also keeps the analysis of what are the risks taken. Project Kickstart is basically a management software where the basic orientation of process of starting a project is given. Smarta. It is also an important software where the automated testing apparatus used in civil engineering are found. Analysis or design softwares used in the civil engineering. We know that analysis or design softwares are those softwares which are used for statistical or analytical capability of inspecting the codes of loads acting on the structure in the civil engineer. StatPro, GTS, STRAP, SAP 2000 version, STRUDS, ETABS, ANSYS, GT Study, XSteel, at last MicroStation. These softwares are very much important for the analysis of structures in the civil engineering. Modeling. Models through the use of softwares are used in civil engineering to express the design aspects. Here, some sort of abstract language or pictures are used to express the software design. For example, ArchiCAD, AutoCAD Revit, DStudio Max, PDS, PDMS, SP3D, Tekla Structures, and at last most important software and basic software, Photoshop. Drafting. Drafting softwares are basically computer-aided design softwares which are used to help the engineers as well as the architects to build models and drawings in the field of construction and operation of buildings, bridges, roads and factories. The three main drafting softwares used in civil engineering are Vectorworks, Maya and Rhino. The effect of smartphone applications in civil engineering. As technology is evolving and by taking advantage of smartphone technology, developers have been able to create innovative mobile applications or apps that do everything from simple calculations to 3D designs and architectural renderings. Although construction management mobile applications are available as far as technology and features are concerned, they also serve the same general purpose, which is to serve the needs of professionals working in the construction industry. Simulation and virtual reality. Normally, 3D geometric models, which are used to present architectural and engineering works, show only their final form, not allowing the visual simulation of their physical increasing. The models concerning construction needs to be able to produce changes of the geometry of the project. But by using these simulating softwares, we can experience the work environment in real time. Some of the simulation softwares are given in the civil engineering department. Simulation softwares. Simulation softwares are basically used to design equipment so that the final product will be as close to design specs as possible without expensive in process of modification. These are basically civil engineering simulator, construction simulator, robot structural analysis professional, at last building simulator pro. The importance of remote sensing, GIS and GPS softwares. The rapid development and integration of spatial technologies such as geographic information systems, the global positioning system and remote sensing have created many new tools for extension professionals, but have also widened the digital divide, leaving many with little understanding of the technology and potential applications. And extension related to applications of GIS, GPS, RS technologies, and discuss how to go about learning more and determining if these technologies would be useful in civil engineering. Some other softwares used in civil engineering: highways, MX roads, HDM, autoplotter, heads, and in case of green buildings, Ecotect, Visual Do, Energy Plus, IES and Dilux. Scope of learning softwares in India. India's construction industry is such an important part of the economy, which has led to a need of good softwares to solve construction issues. India remains as one of the major focuses of the engineering software vendors, which apart from the need of Indian projects, many Indian design and outsourcing firms have worked with foreign designs and drawing jobs also where softwares are essentially required.